In this video, we are going to see how we can enable the multiple currency transactions and how we can use that for our customers or vendors if we have international clients. So if you're using your local currency just to deal with the local customers and vendors, that's fine. But if you are dealing with international customers, let's say you are supplying some goods in UAE, so you need to invoice them in UAE currency. Or maybe you are purchasing something from the external vendor and you want to customize the invoice like that. So how will we do that? First of all, just remember guys that in the new Zoho Books, it's enabled by default. So if you click on settings and under organization, we have currencies. So all of these currencies are already there and it's enabled. Just we have to check what is our base currency. Right now, our base currency is US dollars. So if your currency is not reflecting here, you can just click on the new currency and you can just enter, let's say INR, currency name, currency symbol, and all the simple information about that. And after that, just go to the main screen and we will create the international customer with the currency settings. So click on quick create and click on customers, and the customer type is business. And let's say that the customer name is Al Burj Traders, and same is the name here, and this is in AED. No opening balance is there. Exchange rate is automatically populated with the latest exchange rate. So as we can see, AED to USD, the exchange rate is 0.27. So it's picking it up in the real time. Click on save. Now let's sell something. Click on the invoices, click on plus sign or new from here. The customer name is Al Burj Traders, which deals in AED. Now just remember guys, if you want to deal with any customer in any other currency, we need to make sure that their customer default settings is on that currency. Otherwise you won't be able to change it from here. Let's say for any different customer, the by default currency is already set to USD. So let's say now it has moved to some other region and it's dealing with some other currency. In that case, we need to go in that particular customer, go in here in the configuration, edit that, and from here you can change the default currency and then you should be able to enter the invoice. So let's continue. Click plus. This is Al Burj Traders. Invoice number is this. Invoice date is, let's say, on the current date. All set. Let's say that we are selling the items. One quantity, let's say 5 is the quantity. Rate is 918 and that's in dirhams. So it has automatically created the whole invoice in dirhams, as you can see here. And exchange rate is mentioned here. This is directly picked up from Google. So if you have any difference, you can recalculate it on this. Otherwise, just click on save and send. And you can directly send the invoice from here as well. So let's click and let's write the same address. And click on send. It will be shown like this, and we need to add it here as well. Make sure all the fields are selected, and now it is sent, and you can see all the other invoices are in dollars while this one is in dirhams. So it has automatically converted it in real time. All of these details are also in dirhams. Now let's see how we can record the payment for the same. So in here, we already have the record payment option, but if you want to access it separately, let's say you are not in that particular area, you can just click on the customer payments from the quick create option under the sales module. But let's just click here from record payment, click on record payment. Now we are receiving this whole amount in dirhams from this customer. All set, all is automatically mentioned. But if you are, let's say, receiving some less amount, you can just mention that. And it goes under cash in hand. Exchange rate is again mentioned to the latest date. Click on record payment. and it will save it and show you the summary of it. It is partially paid right now. So if you want to check the journal entry fact of the payments, just click on the payment receipt from the left hand corner, and this is the payment we have received. Just click on that and click on the 3 dots to view the journal. So in here, this is converted to USD, and that's the power of Zoho, that not only it has generated the invoice in dirhams, we have recorded the payment in dirhams, but when it comes to the ledgers, it has converted it according to the exchange rate and converted it back to the base currency in dollars, so that we can report it in our reports and there is no discrepancy. So that's how we can easily deal with the foreign currency transactions in Zoho. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.